Mandarin is one of the most notoriously difficult languages for Westerners to pronounce. This is because of the unique tone system in Mandarin. For example, let's take the syllable ma. There's 4 different ways of pronouncing it in Chinese. Ma, 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 which respectively mean mom, hemp, horse, and yell or scold. So as you can tell, slight differences in pitch, drastically different meanings. In Western languages, the syllables or words are not dependent on the pitch for meaning, so Westerners aren't really conditioned to pronounce words with that accuracy of pitch. Therefore, I created this pronunciation tool to help Westerners perfect their Chinese pronunciation. So why don't we go take a look at how it works. In this tutorial, we are going to learn to pronounce the phrase 中文, which means Chinese. So let's take a listen at what the characters sound like.
中中
So that almost sounds like a flat sustained note. 中 and you can see that from the pitch contour graph, it's also pretty flat. As for the second character,
文文
it's like a ascending sort of tone. 文 So now that I know what the phrase sounds like, why don't I give it a shot and try to pronounce this phrase into my software. 中文 Oh no! My pronunciations apparently are super inaccurate. But fortunately, I do have these pitch contour graphs which give me a good visualization of how my pitch was incorrect. So in the first character's case, my pitch was ascending instead of flat. So I need to make my first pronunciation flatter. And in the second case, where the pronunciation should be ascending, my pronunciation was sort of a descending pitch contour. So now that I know exactly how to improve, why don't I give it another shot? 中文 Okay, so this time I got the pronunciations correct. And if you notice in the second character's case, my pronunciation seems to deviate from the correct pronunciation, even though the shape is roughly the same. Now this is because in the sample pronunciation,
文
it's a female speaker, and my voice is much lower. However, the classifier in my program was able to determine that my pitch was correct because essentially in the training data, I'm normalizing all the pitch contours to start on the same starting pitch. So it's like I'm transposing all the pronunciations to the same key. So that about concludes it for my demonstration of my Mandarin pronunciation tool. In the future, I would like to expand it to account for different aspects of language. For example, vowels. I would like to create a classifier, the visualization for formants F1 and F2. And for, say, something like consonants, I would also want to create visualization and a classifier for that as well. Of course, I would want to add the other features like having a whole dictionary of phrases that you can try to perfect and whatnot to make it a complete sort of platform. Anyways, thanks for tuning in to watch my demo, and I will catch you later.